The Times of India, Oct 20, 2023, 8.42, and putting stubble on fire akin to burning wealth. Chandigarh, in the wake of mounting concerns over stubble burning in the region, Padma Shri recipient Prof. Yadav asserted that the burning of agricultural residue was unnecessary, as it can be efficiently converted into valuable materials. On sidelines of a lecture at UPS on Thursday, Prof. Yadav said the residue can be transformed into a range of valuable chemicals. Farmers in these regions often overlook the fact that they are burning wealth. Moreover, the environmental repercussions of this practice are dire, he added. Pushing for a paradigm shift towards compacting the residue, he said, India's substantial agri-residue could serve as a significant feedstock for biofuel production, particularly when generating hydrogen from non-edible renewable sources sustainably. If we do this and use green hydrogen for fuels, India will become carbon neutral by 2070, he said. Prof. Yadav also called for the importance of awareness and formulation of policies that incentivize the proper management of agricultural waste. Prof. Rupinder Tiwari said, "We must consider it from the farmer's standpoint. In just 20 days, farmers have to start a crucial step of sowing. While the technology is available, policy intervention is imperative. Source power for EVs from solar, wind, on electric vehicles in siege." Prof. Yadav said, for true environmental impact, the electricity powering these vehicles must be sourced from solar and wind energy rather than coal. It is never EV in India, but CV electricity derived from coal vehicle. So if CV persists, EV policy is of no relevance.